I am fortunate enough to be in heaven today. There's something sacred about stepping away from the noise and into the stillness of nature. The way the sun dances through the trees, how the earth grounds you every step, and the wind reminds you to breathe. In these quiet moments that I remember, life doesn't have to be loud to be beautiful. Sometimes the greatest joy is just being. Feet in the grass, heart at peace, surrounded by the laughter and love of those who matter most. Time with family isn't just a memory in the making. It's a blessing, a gift, a reminder that love is not about perfection, but presence. Whether we're sharing stories, walking trails, or simply watching the fire, it's the simple, soul-filling moments that I carry with me long after the day fades. Nature heals, family grounds, and I'm so deeply grateful for both.